Everyone's wondering what it's like to have solar installed through Energy Advantage. Here is how it works. Step 1. We start with a virtual or in-person meeting with one of our consultants who will show you how you can save and eliminate your electric bill by going solar. Step 2. Once you and your family decide to go solar, you will receive a welcome call, welcoming you to our ever-growing Energy Advantage family. Step 3. We'll take it from here. We'll submit your solar design for city review, approval, and permitting. Then our team will come and install your system. Step 4. A final inspection is required by the city, but we handle that too. Step 5. Your utility company will come by and install a net meter and give you the okay to turn on your solar system. Step 6. It's time to celebrate. We come in and turn on your system and get you saving. This process is easy, and we will make sure to take care of you and your home through every step. So, what are you waiting for? Get a free Solar Energy Advantage quote today.